So to change a color in a sketch, you can find the piece of content you wish to change. We'll change the hood here. Grab it, and don't worry about moving it, because the second that you press the color picker, it will snap back into place, and you can start exploring the color you wish to select. So we're going to go with a white here. We'll do the same thing with the whole hood. But you can also play with the materials. So we have a metallic material here. We want to change that to flat material. So we'll grab that and we'll press and we'll find the material here, the flat shaded material. We'll do that same thing over here. And you can actually revisit any color that you have in the sketch. So if I want to apply that same color to the side panel, that same color and material, I can grab this side panel here and I can come in here and find the color that's in the sketch. So I can match up whatever color that I already have in my sketch. And so it's just a really quick and easy way to explore different colors. You can do the same thing for a group of different colors at the same time. So if I wanted to grab everything here, I could then activate my color selector and explore color and release. And so you can do that using your grab gesture and grabbing multiple pieces at the same time.